Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the sound section and then to the phone ringtone. So here you can select one of these pre-installed system ringtones, or you can just set up custom ringtone by selecting some song from this list, I guess. So let's listen to some of these pre-installed ones. I like this one. This one sounds okay. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.